सर्वांगे नमस्कार. GSB खाणाचे व्हिडिओज आम्ही अपलोड करताय. इंग्लिशांतूय कोंकणींतूय व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राइब कराय. When I got this fresh piece of yam or kachal, Kattalli, Bhajjille, Ghassi is what came to my mind. For this, gather as many root veggies as you can. Here I have besides this potato, surno or elephant foot yam, carrot, varieties of mande or acacia, Arabi or avla mande, and Chinese potato. You can use all of these or whichever you are able to get. Peel and clean each root and take about 50 grams of each variety. Now for some fresh veggies. I have one raw banana, drumstick, brinjal, long beans. You can also use cluster beans or broad beans, and also some chunde phal or turkey berry. The star of this dish is this copra half, which I shall slice and roast. If you don't get a copra, use a dry matured coconut. First, to pressure cook the root veggies, and then add these fresh ones. Here I have diced about 50 grams of the kachal. Next, adding the Chinese potato. Remember to drop them in water as soon as you clean them, as otherwise they will blacken. Next, adding all the diced pieces of surno, carrot, all the acacia varieties, and the potato. I have halved the turkey berry and added salt, and after some time shall squeeze well and then wash to remove the seeds. Now to pressure cook these for 2 whistles. While the root veggies are cooking, I have sliced the copra into thin slices. Now to dry roast them carefully on low to medium flame. Remove onto a plate when they have browned well like this. Now add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and also 5 to 6 red chilies. Roast them on low flame until the seeds are browned. Keep aside to cool. Also, I have cleaned and kept the fresh veggies ready. About 50 grams of brinjal, long beans, drumstick, and also a small piece of Dharmya salt or Malabar tamarind. You can also use a piece of mango or hog plums or star fruit or just plain tamarind. Now here are the cooked root veggies. Now add the rest of the veggies one by one. Adding the salt and also some half cooked and frozen bacon or jackfruit seeds. Add a little water, cover and cook. Now grind the cooled copra, adding a little water and turmeric powder to a coarse paste. When the veggies have cooked, add this paste. And add some water as needed. Let simmer on low flame for a few more minutes. Now the Kattalli Bhajjille Ghassi is ready to be served. Transfer to a serving bowl. Serve this as a side dish or main accompaniment with rice and have a hearty meal. Do try this tasty one and let me know if you liked it.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.